Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play the Saviour Cometh challenge in Football Manager Mobile 2024. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can create your own tactics and how you can manage the clubs. Let's get started. In case you are bored with a same new game, same storyline, you can play the challenge by tap the new game and then the middle one, tap the middle one, the challenge. So the first challenge is the Saviour Cometh. The aim of this challenge is to avoid being relegated from the divisions, and also this scenario restrict you to managing only teams from division with relegation involved. Let's tap confirm. So select league to undertake this challenge. Let's try the England Premier League. So I choose the club or the team. I choose Luton Town. This is a new promote. And so this in-game editor will disable, but this rich benefactor still enable. Budget in first window still enable. You can disable attribute masking or use fake player, it's up to you. But if you purchase the in-game editor, it will still disable. You cannot use in-game editor in this mode. Tap next. I'm using use existing profile, or you can create new one. Tap next. So Luton Town. Tap finish. So welcome to the new game. Can Ten Hag save Luton? So let's see. This is 14th February 2024. Let's see the Luton tables. Let's tap the fixtures. As you can see, we are too many loss. Premier Division. So 25 matches, 2 wins, 12 draw, and 11 loss. So in this challenge, make sure you can avoid being relegated. Thank you for watching. Challenge yourself in this Saviour Cometh. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.